Hi, I'm Marna, and in the background my dog is throwing a toy in the air and running after it. So if you hear pitter-patter of little playful feet, you know what it is. I bought this Barbie and I thought I would do a short review on her. After I got out of the box, I noticed a couple things. Now I got this Barbie for a good price, but they sell about $5 in Walmart, etc. When I got her out, I noticed her hair is a bit, needs a washing. Let's just say that. It's a bit of that greasy feeling when they come out of the box sometimes. This is a postscript. I washed her hair with dish detergent, oil removing dish detergent, and then I did a downy dip, a hot boiling water downy dip. It's not only beautiful, it smells so good. I really like this doll. Her little dress is not fancy made. I'm okay with that. I didn't pay much for this doll. It is cute because it is a Valentine's Day print, and that's what I'm doing with it. She has these little shoes. I am not a fan of the flat-footed Barbie, but there she is. The problem is her feet are not just flat-footed. I think they're a different size than other flat-footed Barbies, judging by the size of the shoe and the size I have on other dolls. Even so, she's really cute. Another thing I noticed after getting her out of the box was that her hips, I mean, they're not bad, but they've got a little play in them. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just a little. I mean, they hold. That's not a big deal. They hold, but there's just a little bit of play. So I'm checking her arms, and they seem nice and tight and right, and I'm checking her hair, and that's all the movement this Barbie does, and like I said, I'm just fine with it. Can she stand on her own? Let's see. I'm okay if she doesn't. I'm just curious if she can. These are inexpensive, low-end Playline Barbies. Nah, I'm not getting her to stand by herself. But she is cute enough, and I love, love, love the red hair and brown eyes. That's the real reason I bought these dolls. Well, and the little hearts. Now in February, for our monthly video with the long distance crafters, I'm going to use this doll to make some February and in fact March outfits for Valentine's and St. Patrick's Day. And I'm kind of pulling on this because Barbie works out and eats well, and she has a beautiful figure to show, and I like it to be shown off. So I might do something about this dress. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Tell me what you think about these low-end Playline dolls. If you have one like this, different color hair, let me know what you think about the feet. Please leave a comment and subscribe.